Hello and welcome. Now, Audi A3 8P, it has an inner lens or light cluster, and it contains two bulbs, your fog light and your reverse light. Now I'm going to show you how to replace them. Unlike some cars, and like some cars, the actual lens is in the hatch rather than on the body itself. So to access this, open up the hatch, and if you look underneath here, you'll see a little access panel which we need to remove. Now you can remove your parcel shelf if you wish, or if you feel comfortable enough, you don't need to. On the access panel there's actually a little groove here, and it's done in such a way that you could actually use your car key if you wish, but also in the trunk underneath where the spare wheel is, there's a little set of tools and you can use a screwdriver. So what we do is we just gently put it in there and prise it open like so, and it slides forward towards the glass. Now looking inside, you'll see where the two bulbs are. There's one there and there's one over here. Also you'll see a little red tab here. So what you need to do then is you need to press the tab towards the screw, and with your other finger just get it in behind here and pull down. So we'll give that a go now. So again, you'll need two fingers or two hands, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I'm pushing forward towards the screw, and then you just pull down, and there we have it. Now in order to get it out, you bring it down and you twist it sideways, and there's your two bulbs. If you're not sure what bulbs you need, it actually says on the back of the casing. This one is a W16W and this one is a P21W, which can be plainly seen. Now to refit, it's almost same as a reversal. So we push it into place, up, and line it up with the holes. Bring it up forward, hold the back of where the seat of the larger bulb and your finger behind the other one, and just push. And you heard the click. That's back in place, and we'll just refit the cover. This little piece slides down into this groove here. Just pop it back up, and there we are. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, like, share and subscribe, and you'll find us on the usual social media platforms. Thank you.